Hi guys, you see where my craft brought me to, this beautiful place. This brush, as you can see in this video, I dress it with I put it in my top, I put it in my hair. You can just play with this brush, really so beautiful guys. So if you want to see how I make this brush, keep watching this video guys. These are the things you will need for this brush, this beautiful brush. Your cutter, pencil, cup, pin, fabric, and piece of leather. The measurement of my fabric is 50 centimeters long, 10 centimeters width. You see, I joined it here because my fabric is not big enough, so I joined it. So I folded it, ironed it, you see. Then I'll open it like this. Front facing front. You see this ironed line facing each other. That is front facing front. Then I will take it to my machine to sew this line. You see, after sewing it, then I will turn it like this. You see the way it is now. Then I will gather it, I will sew it gap. Then I will press it, just iron it to flatten it. Then I will put my pin like this. Then just mark here and mark here like this. This way I'm going to cut. Then I'll cut this place like so. Then I'll cut this place like so. So this is how it's going to be. Voila. Then just put hot gum at the back here like this. Just put hot gum at the back here. Then put on top of the pin too. Just gum it down like so. Voila. Then just put glue, hot gum around here too. Then just pin it down like so. Then I will break my cover button. I love to use cover button a lot in my projects. So I'll just put cover button in the middle here. And my brush is ready, guys. This is it. So beautiful. You see it? Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and on the notification bell. To see how to make the tuba I have on the thumbnail, just click the card in this video. It might be in the side or on the left, I don't know, but you just click the card that pop out of this video. So watch how to make your ready to go head cap. Thank you guys.